Hello, my name is Daniel, and I am a product manager at Stanley Black & Decker. Today I would like to introduce you to the Cub Cadet LT3 PS107. This is the largest and most powerful side discharge lawn tractor we offer in the LT4 series. The LT3 series lawn tractors have been developed to meet the highest demands in terms of performance, durability, and comfort, without losing sight of economy. Let's start right away with the special features of this lawn tractor. The frame is a so-called step-through frame. This means that there is no annoying central tunnel that could hinder you when getting on or off. The seat has a high comfort backrest and is adjustable so that even working for several hours is possible without fatigue. This guarantees an ergonomic working position for every body size. The padded, non-slip steering wheel ensures safe control of the lawn tractor at all times. Another safety feature are the rubberized footrests, which prevent accidental slipping. The LT3 PS107 has two large, brightly shining headlights. They are particularly useful if you want to operate the tractor in winter with the optionally available snowblade. The right choice of tires is particularly important for a lawn tractor. On the one hand, they should always ensure sufficient grip even on damp and hilly ground, but on the other hand, they should be protective on the lawn and not damage the turf. With the specially designed tires of size 15 by 7 inches for the front wheels and 20 by 8 inches for the rear wheels, we achieve an optimum that meets both criteria. Another indication of the high quality and durable design is the robust cast iron front axle. In addition, the lawn tractor has a front bumper that prevents damage to the front grille. Now let's talk about the heart of the LT3 PS107, the engine. Access is gained via a large wide-opening hood, which ensures easy maintenance access to all parts of the engine. The engine is a Cub Cadet 2-cylinder motor in a V arrangement with a displacement of 679 cc. What are the advantages of this engine? The 2 cylinders instead of just one mean that the machine runs with less vibration. This is especially apparent when you work for a longer period of time. The large displacement may seem excessive at first, but it always guarantees more than sufficient torque. This allows the engine to deliver its power with ease even under difficult conditions, such as hilly terrain and long wet grass. As you can already tell from the name, the LT3 PS107 has a mowing deck with a 107 cm cutting width. This mower deck has a floating suspension and is equipped with mower deck rollers. This allows the LT3 to adapt to the ground on hilly terrain, providing an even cut and preventing damage to the turf. The mower is equipped with a hose connection for easy cleaning. When the mower is switched on, the rotating blades spread water at high pressure to every corner of the mower and clean it effectively. With the LT3 PS107, you have the choice of using it as a side discharger or as a mulching mower. Thanks to the innovative auto-drive transmission, operating the mower is as easy as driving an automatic car. The lever on the left side selects the driving direction, forward or backward. The right foot pedal controls the speed. The lever for adjusting the cutting height is on the right-hand side. This can be adjusted in 5 steps from 3 to 9.5 centimeters. Directly next to it is the lever for coupling the mower. Two things ensure particularly effective mowing. First, there is the small turning radius of only 46 centimeters. And second, the possibility of leaving the mower deck switched on even when driving in reverse. This function is activated by turning the starter key back with the mower deck on and pressing the safety switch. Thanks to its high efficiency, we recommend the LT3 PS107 for lawns of up to 5,500 square meters. There is an extensive range of accessories for the LT3 PS107. These include a collection bag with a capacity of 200 liters, various transport trailers, toad spreaders, lawn combs, and lawn aerators, to name just a few. This makes the LT3 PS107 not just a lawn mower, but also a versatile gardening tool for various tasks. Conclusion: the LT3 PS107 offers a large cutting width, a powerful two-cylinder engine, and numerous comfort features with compact dimensions and high efficiency. I am convinced of our great products. If you are curious now, then just visit our website, cubcadet.eu. There you will find more information about the Cub Cadet range and also your local Cub Cadet dealer, who will be happy to advise you in detail.